Oh, what is up, guys? I'm sorry for not posting a video a lot of time, but now we're not able to do the full stop to the part which looks back because it'll be too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first couple of bits, but we do have a wall vending machine here to make it up for you. So it is really cool and it actually works perfectly. So we have two coin dukes. One pennies, nickels, and dimes, and one quarter. You put in, a penny for. You know what? We don't like pennies. Not gonna work. What about a nickel? 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 What do you say? He says he's gonna work. That's gonna keep filling, of course, and that's not gonna work. Well, dime. Come on, show me good. Not gonna work. Well, it's really not. Doesn't make any sense. Do you see this? Dog something. You see this? You see this penny? You know what I'm about to do to this thing? Put it in here. See what happened? Rejected. Nickel? Rejected. Dime? Oop. Dime? Rejected. And even if you put a quarter in, rejected. It only takes it all. First, you either put in a 4 quarters, or you put in $1. Now I'm gonna give 2 bottles out for you guys so you can watch. First, let's do the quarter method. You see, they don't get rejected, and then I'll show you what this. Well, sometimes the quarters get rejected, but I'll show you. Then you press this SpongeBob looking, sticky face, whatever guy looking. You press them, and well, that no doesn't happen. But sometimes you get 2 bottles. But if you get 2 bottles, what will happen is this bottle come back and you get 1 bottle. So you wanted a water bottle? Oh, you got $1? Good for you. Until it's $1 bill. Alright. Pushes button. Wow, this actually works. So, you guys are wondering, well, how in the history of guys does this really actually work? Well, I'll show you guys, and you guys are gonna say, what? So, we showed you the outside, now it's time for the inside. So, this is what the inside looks like. It has this coin rejection, so I'll show you from above. You put in a dime, that's ejected. You put in a penny, gets ejected. You put in a nickel, gets ejected. You put in 4 quarters, and you see they just slide down into there. And then, you see what you do now is you press, you see that little stop, whatever you call it? What that's for is, you see, when I push this, it stops the bottle from another bottle going. And then, let me get this dollar out. You have $1. You see, you put $1 in. What, kitty? And, oh, come on. Well, let's just say, went in, you press the button, boom. And then, I'm going to show you real quick last thing. So, come here, no, from above. So, do you see all of the dark circles? Now look, you put in a dime, that's ejected, quarter, that's ejected, a penny gets ejected, and a nickel also gets ejected, and that one's flying. my heel, and my penny, right there. So, hope you guys enjoy this quick video. I mean, nothing too special, but yeah, we made this guy just for you to enjoy. And yeah, if you guys want us to make something cooler than that, let us know. Well, you can't really because the comment section is disabled. But I forgot I put these coins in here. Bye.